Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal taste better. Let's start with the foundation. Instead of just water, try cooking your oats with milk, almond milk, or even coconut milk for a richer base flavor. A tiny pinch of salt, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, is crucial. It really brings out the natural sweetness and balances the overall taste. Also, opt for old-fashioned rolled oats over instant for a superior texture and better flavor absorption. These simple steps make a huge difference. Next, let's talk about sweetening and spicing your oatmeal. Move beyond plain sugar and try natural options like a tablespoon of maple syrup, honey, or agave nectar. These add a lovely depth of flavor. Don't forget spices. A 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, nutmeg, or even pumpkin pie spice can transform your oatmeal into a warm, inviting treat. And for an extra layer of comfort, a few drops of vanilla extract works wonders, making your breakfast truly special. Now, let's add some exciting textures and nutritional boosts. Fresh berries, sliced bananas, or even frozen fruit warmed through can add natural sweetness and a burst of vitamins. For a satisfying crunch, sprinkle in a tablespoon of chopped nuts like almonds or walnuts, or a teaspoon of chia or flax seeds. And for extra creaminess and protein, stir in a generous spoonful of peanut butter, almond butter, or cashew butter. These additions make your oatmeal more filling and delicious. Finally, let's get creative with toppings to truly elevate your oatmeal experience. For a decadent touch, try a drizzle of chocolate sauce, a spoonful of fruit compote, or even a sprinkle of shredded coconut. If you like a tangy contrast, swirl in a dollop of Greek yogurt or a splash of lemon juice. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Some people even enjoy savory oatmeal with a fried egg, a slice of avocado, or a sprinkle of cheese. The possibilities are endless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.